I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you will find here apps. Click on it. So then you come to this list, and here you're looking for Lemon8 app, or just click on search. So then here at Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. For just